fucking did it. That's not bad at all. Welcome back, you guys. It's your girl Lala, and you tune in to Lala's World. In this video, I'm going to start my belly button piercings. Well, I'm gonna get my belly button pierced by myself. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you didn't see my first self-taught piercing. Where I try to do my nose. I will put this in the description box below. So, without further ado, let's get started. What you need is your kit. I got the Body For You on Amazon. I didn't open it yet, so I'm just gonna do like unboxing thing, and then I will just do my belly button pierce. And also you need gloves, alcohol, and Vaseline for like, I don't know, it might be the right method to try to put the needle through your belly button. I don't know, but I guess. But I'm just showing this packet. It's so little. I thought it would be like a container. Excuse me. Let me get myself together, okay? So I'm just gonna open this and see how they I think it was the they have a 14G and 16G. I'm not sure, so let's just open it. This is what it looks like. I think this is what it looks like, basically. So this is, I think it comes from it comes with one ring. I'm sorry, it's just like sometimes it's just my mouth a little bit stuffy. Like I sound so stuffy, but this is how I really talk. So this is the clamps, gloves, which you need is gloves, okay, and also this is the gauges. I mean, no, not gauges. These are like the needles. I think it's 14G, so it's 14G, as you can see. So they have some I think it's blue. I think these are like the nose, lip, and tongue, I guess. I don't know, really. Extra clamps. So I don't know if they have, I think they have they had 3 septum for the nose, 3 septum for the tongue. I don't know if they had the belly rings, but I can't. And also I do start my clothing and my body jewelry business, so I'm gonna show you on the samples I had. This is the signature crown 1 pom-pom beanie, and it's very comfortable. I tried it. If you go to my Instagram, and I will put the picture or the video, I think the video, and it looks like this, and it's very comfortable, y'all. So better get you some beanie, because snowstorm is about to come in Wednesday, I guess, because I think New York gonna have a snowstorm till Wednesday to Friday, I believe this. I think so. So better get some. I'm gonna make a business haul on the samples I have for my clothing, and I have inventory. I'm supposed to have my new inventory pretty soon, but these are the stuff I invest. I'm sorry. And this is how it looks. So I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna add this to my website so you can see. These are the tongue ring. Those are like really colorful. And sorry I had to spoil y'all, but we have to support people. We have to support black owned business. You know, we just have to. It's about to be 2021, so better get yourself together. Better just like, share, or even purchase one item. I mean, it's not that hard. Like, it's so simple. Just support. Got the eyebrow piercing, and this is the lip ring. It's really tiny, but you can guys see. Now, I don't know. I don't know. I could use this, and this is just 14. I don't know. I'm trying to see. They don't have. Oh, there it is. I think I saw it. Did you guys see it? I think I see it. I'm gonna do it everything more. Alright, let me stop. Yeah. So that's the jewelry I'm gonna put get out of this bag. And I got mine. I'm just trying to just get this together, so bear with me. This is how my belly looks. So I don't know if you can see. I'm just gonna put that right here. Looks so crooked. So I'm gonna put. Damn it. Well, I don't know. It looks a little bit crooked to me. Would you get the point when you like, if it's someone who you going to professional, you do it by yourself? I'm just using for experience. And also they have wipes. So what I will do is, and I wash my hands and sanitize it, and you know, excuse my friend, I gotta clean that up. I don't know why I gotta do this crap. Before I would just do my experience, because I am not nervous. I might be a little bit afraid, but if you're not like able to do that, just don't try it at home. Just go to a professional. But to me, I'm just, you know, like I said, if you see my last video on trying to pierce my nose, which is a fail, I will put that link down below, explain what my experience and stuff like that. But so I don't know what the pain tolerance on belly button piercing, but I'm gonna try it out. So yeah. I fucking did it. That's not bad at all. What? Oh God, I'm sorry. I'm about to think, but that's not. Look at this. That's not bad at all. To be honest, I don't know why people just don't like, afraid of the belly piercing. Like, the fuck? I really have a hard time. So for this needle, they have like a little hole to it, insert the jewelry, but I just don't know. It's just like, maybe I just have to, do it off camera, because it's really hard for me to just show you how to insert it. And I just want to get that needle off my bill, because I feel like I'm about to stab myself. So I'll see you in a few minutes and see the results. Did it! I just fucking did it! You see this? Look at that. Is a success. Oh, thank goodness I had this. Yeah. It is success. Yay. Ow. Ow. Hey. Ah. Hey. Let me stop. I'm so glad that it came. It's perfect, but it's crooked. What can I do? The next time I'm just gonna use a marker instead of a pen. The pen make it look worse, but it's okay. I'm finally happy. It finally came through. Wow. At some point it was crooked, so it's like, I'm gonna show you guys that I'm just gonna take this tripod. You could see, but I was gonna do it in a straight angle, but now it's like, I am so mad about that, but it's okay, because I done the best I could. Now, when you after you're done, you make sure to throw away your needle and your glove and the wipe that you've been wiping on your skin and in the ring. And there you go. You're absolutely done. Finished. So simple. I can't believe it's so easy to me. Like, wow. I was thinking about just texting my boyfriend or calling my boyfriend and show how I have a belly button by myself. So last time it was like, I told him I was trying to pierce my nose, and it was like, what the fuck? Why? Look, I don't know. I want to get it done by myself. But I don't know. I just want to see how he reacts. But I do miss him though. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please request on any piercing that I can do or I never get a chance to do. But I'm just gonna post on every Wednesday and Saturday. Sometimes if I miss it, I'll just post it on any day. And yeah, that is all for now, you guys. I see you in the next video. Bye. And stay safe.